I'm gonna go over this bicycle rack cover. So what it is, when your bikes are on the back of your truck, van, car, whatever, and they're in the rack and you wanna cover them with something, is exactly what this is. And it's from the company BLEJOY, the good old BLEJOY bike rack cover. Let's check this thing out. I've actually not even looked at this. Now I have one bike mounted to my bike rack now. I can already tell you just by looking at it, this looks great, everybody. It has a little kind of window right here to see through if you want to put a license plate or something like that. Has these little very high quality hooks. They are treated right around there with the shrink wrap, and they are all stuck together right here. Let's take it over to the van, slide it over the e-bike, and let's see how this thing looks while it's on there, because right now I'm impressed. That must be where the back goes. So yeah, let's see how this thing works. Okay, I have my moped style e-bike here. It looks like there's this waterproof style zipper that runs down it like this. Covers right here and get this thing to slide down on here. So you see the logo right there on the back side. And this cover just goes on here like this. Okay, once you get that back on, then you just lower this down on there. Now I've got one bike in here and that seems pretty good. You can adjust it right here, and then you're gonna run and then zip it all back up. Oh yeah, once you zip it up, that's what pulls it up at the bottom. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just got it all installed. Check this thing out. I was very impressed on how high quality this thing is. If you've got a kind of a expensive e-bike that you want to cover, or just a bicycle in general, I definitely recommend this BLEJOY bike cover. It's got this waterproofing material. Now they made this clear, so technically you could see the brake lights out of it, but luckily my brake lights are kind of off to the side, so I don't have to worry about that. And right here, they got a place where you could put a tag or something like that if you really wanted to, but you know what, I ain't worried about it. And then let me show you how that goes. Once it goes around the bike, you just basically latch these on, tighten them up. This actually goes around the trailer hitch. That's pretty cool how it goes around and it Velcros around the trailer hitch. They gave you these bungees right here, and these bungees is what kind of holds it all in place. Reflective striping right there for just more visibility. Let me get back and show you how that thing looks. I like it. That thing looks really good, everybody. I'm impressed with this thing. Now it's big enough to fit two bikes. Obviously I put this little moped style e-bike in here and it holds that great, but it can hold two bikes fairly easy. I had enough room to easily put another e-bike. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, e-bike / bicycle cover. See y'all in the next video.